The veil between our world and the spirit world is getting thinner. Are you ready for it? Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. On this channel, we talk about well-being, manifestation, and magical endeavors. I haven't posted any videos in a while. It's mainly because I caught the cold. My throat area still feels kind of weird, but I feel way much better than before. So hopefully I'll be able to make videos more often in the near future. Today's video is about protection magic ideas for Samhain. If you're into witchy stuff, then you probably already know about Samhain, but just in case you don't, here's a brief intro. Samhain is the last harvest festival of the year, and it happens on October 31st. It's also known as the Witch's New Year. This is a time when the veil between the mundane world and the spirit world is the thinnest. So a lot of witches and magical practitioners like to use this time to connect with their spiritual roots, do divination, do spirit work, or work with spiritual beings. If you want more info about Samhain, I do have a video where I dive into more detail on what this holiday represents and also talk about holiday activities you can do. I'll put the link to that video in the card up here and in the description box below. And by the way, although Samhain and Halloween both happen on the 31st of October, they're not the same holiday. Samhain is considered a liminal or threshold holiday. It's about that liminal time or space between the warmer half of the year and the colder half of the year, and the threshold between light and dark, life and death. And since the veil is thin, it's always a good idea to have some level of protection. So here are 3 ideas for adding a bit of magical protection during this time of year, and they're all related to liminal spaces and thresholds. Number 1, doorway and entrance protection. If you want to prevent negative or unwanted energies from entering your home, you can place a protection wreath on your front door. You can make one using wood, vines, twigs, crystals, gemstones, herbs, flowers, and plants that carry protective properties. You can also put a protective charm on it. I'll put the link to my pentacle wreath tutorial in the description below. You can use that as a foundation and customize it to fit your own needs. You can also hang witch bells on the back of your front door or on the doorknob on the same side. Witch bells produce sounds and vibrations that are great for cleansing. When you open the door, the sounds and vibrations of these spells can help you shake off any negative energies you've been carrying. It's like an energetic reset. And if you don't want people to see your protective items and you're looking for something more low-key, you can draw a protective sigil or write a petition paper and place it under your doormat. If you don't know how to write petition papers, there's a step-by-step tutorial on my YouTube channel you can check out. I'll put the link in the description below. Another super easy thing you could do is place a protective sigil, charm, amulet, or spell bottle above or on top of your door frame. Number 2, mirror protection. In many cultures around the world, mirrors are considered to be portals. You can energetically lock your mirrors to prevent unwanted energies and spirits from coming through these portals. To do so, you have to first cleanse your mirror and then draw a protective symbol or sigil using a marker or an oil with protective properties. And if you want to learn how I lock my mirrors, let me know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Number 3, sleep protection. When you go to bed, you cross the threshold between the conscious and unconscious. You go from a state of wakefulness to a state of sleep. Humans are usually more open and vulnerable during this time. So it's best to have some level of protection and create a safe space for yourself to rest and recharge your energy. I highly recommend sleep protection for those who are more sensitive and those who are going through a spiritual awakening. There are many ways to go about this. You can put a bowl of salt under your bed. Salt is great for both cleansing and protection. You can wear a protective amulet. You can put crystals under your pillow or use a crystal grid. Some people like to put drawings or physical representations of deities, angels, spirit guides, spirit animals, or other forms of benevolent divine power near their bed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button and share this video with a witchy friend. You know, there are a lot of things you can do on Samhain. Check out this video to learn 10 ways you can celebrate this holiday. Have fun, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Thanks for watching. Bye!